3, 2, 1. Are we rolling? We're good. It's time! Welcome to Stushmas 2024, where we'll be uploading a new video every single day-ish until Christmas. Welcome to Stushmas 2024 with the Stush Live. I am super excited to be starting this series for the 5th. I believe this is my 5th year doing Stushmas. A few of you guys know I took a break last year because I am in school. I work full-time and it's just been a lot. So I did decide to take a break last year, being that it was my first year of my master's program. But this year I decided I wanted to come back. I've been feeling the vibes. I've been definitely in the holiday spirit. I love sharing what I'm doing during the holidays on my platform. So we're going to be doing Stushmas 2024 this year. So for the very first video, I wanted to hop on here and let you guys know what you can expect during Stushmas 2024. But before we start today's video, be sure to like this video by leaving a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you enjoy my content. That way they can continue to push it to you. If you're new, I hope you decide to join the Stush gang down below. Become a part of the gang. We're going to be uploading everything from holiday content to beauty videos to vlogs. You will not be short any content on my platform. So definitely subscribe and become a part of the gang. If you're OG, thank you so much for continuously supporting your girl. It means literally the world to me, especially over all these years. I've been on YouTube for a minute. To my OG triple SGs, I love you guys so much. And if you haven't already, be sure to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. My handle is the exact same as my YouTube at the Stush Live, so be sure to follow me over there, as I'll also be trying to upload every single day on those platforms, especially on TikTok. You can catch me over there. So now that we got that out the way, let's get into what I have in store for Stushmas 2024. So if you're not new here, you know I always premiere the intro for my Stushmas videos in the very first video on Stushmas Day 1, and I always wait until the end of the video. So typically I like to vlog whenever I'm recording my Stushmas intros, but this year went a little bit different. So I did record some content, but not enough to like curate a full vlog. So I'll go ahead and insert those bits in a little bit, but I just want to walk you guys through what Stushmas 2024 looks like and where I shot the intro. So as I mentioned last year, I decided to take the year off because I started my very first year as a master's student. This year I'm still in school, but I've kind of gotten into the groove of things, and my semester should be ending in the middle of December, so I feel as though I could get this done. Now for Stushmas, typically the new video goes up every single day until Christmas. Now that being said, I'm gonna really try my best to upload content for you guys every single day, but in the event that I miss a day, trust and believe a video will be going up on the next day. So I'm gonna really try my best to upload every single day, but if you don't see me on one day, the video will be coming the next day. So every other day, every day. That's why I said, welcome to Stushmas, where we'll be uploading every single day-ish until Christmas, every single day-ish. So that is really my plans. I'm really gonna try my best. That being said, I wanna say for Stushmas, I think that was 2022, that was the last Stushmas I did. I pre-recorded some content, and I feel like that's what I'm going to be doing for this year as well. I've already honestly started recording content for you guys, just so that I can kind of have a buffer, so that I can kind of have some things in a stash and I don't feel super overwhelmed, being that I am still in school and working a full-time job. So yes, we're going to be uploading content every single day-ish until Christmas, and that will include holiday content. So if I'm going out somewhere downtown in the city, a lot of you guys know I live in New York City. If I'm participating in a holiday activity, I'll vlog. If I'm at home wrapping gifts, I'll vlog. If I have any beauty content, I'll go ahead and share that as well. Be it my Christmas wish list, be it maybe a friend's miss. If I get invited to something like that, I'll go ahead and vlog as well. And anything else that may be of interest to me during this month of Vlogmas, I'll go ahead and share that in a video as well. So Vlogmas, but we're uploading different types of videos on my platform during Stushmas. Okay, that's why it's called Stushmas, because we do it the Stush way, period. And every single day I will also be unboxing my advent calendars. I have 2 advent calendars, one from Clarence Beauty and another one is from L'Occitane. So I will be unboxing my advent calendar every single day for you guys, because I have 25 little boxes to go through up until Christmas. So you can definitely look forward to seeing that in every single vlog. The advent calendar openings will typically be in the beginning of the vlogs or at the end of the vlog. So make sure you guys watch until the very end. I also want to bring back some Stush shares. If you're OG triple SG, you know that's when I share. That's literally when I share. I don't want to use the G word. If you know, you know. But yeah, we'll be doing some Stush shares as well. It'll be random, so you literally have to make sure you're here every single time I upload up until Christmas to be in the know. It also helps if you comment and support my content. If you share my content, that helps a lot. But if you comment throughout the videos, I'll be able to see who's really like engaging. And I know a lot of you guys don't comment, but I'm telling y'all, a lot of you guys will DM me on Instagram like, hey, I watched this vlog and I like this, or I want to buy this. but y'all gotta comment it here. This is where I need y'all to pull up at. I need y'all to slide DMs the comments on this platform. I appreciate you guys writing me on Instagram as well, but it really helps me grow if you guys comment on here as well, in addition to, you know, DMing me if you feel like it's a little bit more personal. I'm cool with that too. And if you didn't know, my Instagram is the exact same as my YouTube at the Stush Life, just like my TikTok at the Stush Life. So we will be opening 2 advent calendars every single day. Shout outs to Clarence and Loxaton as well. Sent over advent calendars, so I want to share those as well in every single video. Yeah, I'm really excited about Stushmas 2024. So I want to show you guys the intro. I know you guys are really like excited to see the intro, but first I want to break down where we went and all that other stuff to film the intro. So just really quickly before I insert like some behind the scenes of me shooting the intro, and then we'll jump into the actual intro. The intro was shot at Lily's Victorian on 17th Street in Manhattan, very close to 14th Street, Union Square. They have 2 locations, but I opted to go to this location to shoot my intro. And I really didn't want it to be anything too thought out, anything too dragged out. I just wanted to put on a cute outfit, pop up in a like holiday themed bar. It's not a holiday themed bar, but it's a restaurant that decorated for the holidays. Somewhere that decorated with all the Christmas aesthetics, and I just filmed something really quickly there. So a lot of you guys know that the Stush Life is a one-woman ran business, but I obviously have to shout out all the people that helped me create my content. Help my content. A lot of the times you guys don't see that. They might help to hold a camera, they might take pictures. You know, y'all know who you guys are. I don't have to shout you guys I don't have to shout you guys out individually, but I do have to say huge shout outs to you guys, because I know you guys will be tremendous. You guys will be of tremendous help this season, this Vlogmas, this Stushmas. So I do want to pause really quickly to shout you guys out. But enough chatting, let's go ahead and get into the behind the scenes of my Stushmas intro. Going to film our Vlogmas intro.
Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. I've been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
They have brunch and drinks. Got an espresso martini. They didn't have any holiday drinks, so figured that's fitting enough.
Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby. So I
see what you're saying, this thing.
Just
I'm just gonna you can keep rolling. So let me know, what do you guys think? And the voice that you guys are hearing in the intro is from one of my friends, Danny. She is a singer and she sounds so good for the intro. She actually reached out to me and asked me if I was doing Stushmas and said that she wanted to record something for my intro. So shout outs to her. Huge shout outs to her. Thank you, girl. The music for the intro, very talented, if I do say so myself. If you're looking for something similar, you'd like to work with her, I'll leave her contact information down below in the description box. Definitely check her out. We love to support the Black and talented, okay, period. And thank you again, sis, for the intro song. First of all, I think the outfit was eating, if I do say so myself, and you guys wouldn't even believe. I'm gonna go ahead and put up a picture of my outfit right here on the screen, because I did take some cute pictures as well. But my hats, I don't know what this hat is, the style of hat is called, but it's definitely giving Stush in Paris, if I do say so myself. But this hat I did purchase from Zara last year. If I can find something similar, I'll leave it linked down below. My blazer is thrifted. I apologize if you watched my thrift vlog, I want to say a month and a half ago, you saw when I picked this up. So the blazer is thrifted, and then the top that I'm wearing underneath the blazer, in addition to the leggings that I'm wearing, are both from Uniqlo, from their Heat Tech line. So this day was particularly chilly, but Uniqlo's Heat Tech is always going to get me through it. So I have those on, and then the boots are thrifted. I thrifted those in Nashville. So not a lot of pieces that I can link. If I do find similar items, I'll go ahead and leave them linked down below for you guys. Oh, and the bag was my Coach pillow Tabby. I love her down. Honestly, one of my favorite bags. She's also the only Coach bag that I currently own. I used to own some more Coach pieces back in the day, but this is the only Coach bag that I currently own, and I love her so much. Definitely one of my favorite purchases, definitely one that I do not regret. Okay, so yeah, I did wear my Coach bag as well, and that was pretty much it for the behind the scenes. I think it's time now for us to get into the intro. Again, nothing crazy. I just wanted it to be clean, cute, and giving like holiday vibes. So that being said, let's go ahead and get into the Stushmas intro for y'all ready? Let's get into the Stushmas intro for 2024. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's play it. What do you guys think? Again, nothing crazy. I just wanted something cute, clean, and quick. For the intro, I think by far my favorite intro that I've done thus far is this one and the one from 2023, where I had the ponytail. If you know, you know. If you don't know, feel free to check out my previous Vlogmas playlists, because I do have those on my channel, so you guys can see what I've done in the past. But I'm super uber ecstatic for what Stushmas 2024 has in store. I hope you guys are ready for Stushmas 2024 as well as I am. I'm hoping that you guys relate to the content. I'm hoping that you guys engage with content, and I'm hoping that you learn something from the content, that you laugh from the content, the vlogs, the vibes, and all of that. But that pretty much brings us to the end of the video. I didn't want today to be too long. I just wanted to show you guys like behind the scenes, as I normally do for my Vlogmas day ones or my Stushmas day ones, and show you guys the intro itself. So before we end the vlog out, I'll go ahead and run the intro back one more time for you guys to see, but you will be seeing it for the next 24 days. So don't even trip. But let's go ahead and cue intro for Stushmas 2024 one more time. So that basically brings us to the end of today's video. But before you go, let's go ahead and open our advent calendar for day 1 from Clarence and from L'Occitane. Let's unbox our Clarence advent calendar for today. Day 1 of unboxing our L'Occitane advent calendar. I'll also be sure to link the advent calendars if they are still available on the brand's website down below in the description box, and I'll go ahead and leave links to each item if I can find the full size of these items as well in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are ready for Stushmas 2024. If you have anything that you would like to particularly see for this year's Stushmas series, rubs hand like Birdman, comment down below and let me know. Meet me in the comments. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at the Stush Life. Subscribe if you're new. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss Stushmas 2024. We're uploading every single day-ish until Christmas, okay? So make sure you're here. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the place to be. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited, and I cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and also stay tuned for the outro because we have a little something. So make sure you guys watch this all the way until YouTube shows you guys or pushes another video to you guys, because I did add a little something for the outro as well. But that's all for today. Love you guys. Bye.
Hurry down the chimney tonight.